Okay, this is what I'm starting out with, and I wanted to go to the very first part of these magic hybrid cubes to show you how they're put together. For the first part, you only have 4 different numbers that you have control over. The 3 input primary numbers, the central real number. When I mean real number, I mean it makes the addition true, or the whatever type of operation from this side to the next. And then you have the 3 output primary numbers. You don't have any control over these, but you do have control over the 3 input primary numbers and the central real number. When you go across, 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 3 plus 3 is 6. And then it develops on from there. And in this case, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is just the same as the magic ghost number cube. Ghost number, but the ghost number is hidden on the inner walls. When you add them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, they equal 21, which is 3 21s gives you 63 for the outer ghost number. 63 in all these corners for the outer ghost number, and it does it through this internal numerical machinery that I call the inner ghost numbers. The purple numbers, which are a combination of the addition of these cubic octant numbers. Add all these cubic octants. All these cubic octants diagonal to each other. 18 plus 45 is 63 on both sides. 27 and 36 is 63. Same way with this. And I want to go through some of these if I have the time on this. Here's a 6 that I've chosen for the central real number. And I used 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 for my primary input numbers. And they give me 7, 8, 9. And that comes out to something else totally different. But it still relies on a commutative property going through here. Then I decided to use 2, 4, and 6. And then that gave me, and I kept the 6 for the central real number, and that gave me 8, 10, and 12. So that completes that sequence, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And it produces a 6, 8, and 10, which I'll come to. And you go through the same machinery to produce all the rest of the cube. Then you have the 6, 8, and 10 down here. When you have 3 for the central real number, and 3, 5, and 7 produces the 2, 4, 6. And down here, when you replace 6 with 3, you get the 6, 8, and 10 from the 2, 4, and 6. Then, when you replace the 2, 4 with a 6 of the 2, 4, 6 that was shown previously with a 3, you get back 5, 7, and 9, which is the correspondence to 3, 5, and 7 that was written up here on these other ones. So you see a pattern developing here. And then, I think finally, here's 5, 7, and 9 again for 3, 5, 7. And you turn it back to a 6. You switch between 3 and 6. And you get 9, 11, and 12. Which is 9, 11, and 13. Which is the completion of the sequence 3, 5, 7. The prime numbers and 9. Or the odd numbers in 9, 11, and 13. Then I think that's it. But it all relies on this the magic hybrid number, the 3 input primary numbers 1, 2, and 3, and the central real number, which could be arbitrary any number, and the green is the resulting output primary numbers. in this case. In this case, 4, 5, and 6. So that's what I wanted to